Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Huion Kamvas 22 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to change the pen buttons function on this device. So, to do it, first of course we need to open the Huion tablet application. This is our driver. And here in this driver we need to choose a digital pen and click press key. And here, as you can see, you have mouse right button, so click on it, and or you will have not mouse right button but something another. So click on it and just choose, for example, mouse key, mouse left button, for example, of course, then you can change the lower button. So for example, run program, and here browse the program you want to open. Okay, so for example, Discord. And now when I will click on the lower button, I will open the Discord. It's very strange, but for example, alright, and let's try. So now I will click on the up button. It might be left key. Yes, it works. But now let's click on the lower button, and it's opening something. Maybe Discord is unable to work on my device. For example, let's choose another one. For example, so maybe not open application. Okay, system application. For example, task view. Okay, task view. Let's try. Yes, it works. It works, as you can see. So that's it. It's very easy to do. And thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.